Everyone, it's Jean-Claude. AI is everywhere these days, but are you really making the most of it? Whether you're new to AI or a seasoned pro, these 10 tips will help you unlock its full potential. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, be clear. When you're working with AI, clarity is your best friend. The more precise you are, the better the results you'll get. Think about what you want to achieve before you even start typing your prompt. Take a moment to consider the outcome you're hoping for, and then put that into words as directly as possible. And remember, being specific with your AI prompts is just as important as being clear. If you're too general, the AI might not understand exactly what you need, and you could end up with answers that miss the mark. Instead, try to include all the relevant details in your request. Think of AI as a smart friend who's eager to help, but can only do so if you give them the right information. If you ask a friend, "Can you help me?" they'll probably ask, "With what?" The same goes for AI. Vague requests get vague results. The more context you provide, the more useful and accurate the response will be. For example, instead of just saying, "Help me," try something like, "Help me write a professional email to request leave for a doctor's appointment on Friday." Notice how the second prompt gives the AI all the information it needs: the purpose of the email, the tone, and the specific day. This level of detail helps the AI craft a response that's tailored to your needs. The more details you give, the better the AI can help. Don't be afraid to include background information, your goals, or even examples of what you're looking for. If you want a summary, specify the length. If you need a creative idea, mention the style or tone you prefer. The clearer your instructions, the more likely you are to get exactly what you want. Don't hesitate to experiment with different phrasings. Sometimes a small tweak makes a big difference. If your first prompt doesn't get the result you want, try rewording it or adding more context. AI tools are designed to learn from your input, so the more you interact and refine your prompts, the better your results will be. It's also helpful to review the AI's responses and see what worked and what didn't. If the answer isn't quite right, think about what information was missing or unclear, and adjust your prompt accordingly. This process of trial and error is a normal part of working with AI, and it's how you'll get the most value from these tools. AI is always evolving, so revisit and refine your prompts regularly. As you get more comfortable, you'll start to notice patterns in what works best. Don't be afraid to push the boundaries and see how the AI responds to different types of requests. Be clear, be specific, and keep experimenting. The more you practice, the more skilled you'll become at getting the most out of AI. Treat each interaction as a learning opportunity, and soon you'll be crafting prompts that consistently deliver great results. Mastering this simple habit will instantly level up your AI game, making your work easier, faster, and more effective. So remember, clarity and specificity are your keys to success with AI. Tip 2, use step-by-step instructions for complex tasks. Break big requests into smaller, manageable steps. AI follows detailed instructions best. For example, say, "First, summarize this report in 2 paragraphs, then translate the summary into French." This approach works great for data, code, or any multi-step process. It keeps the AI focused and prevents overwhelm. You'll also spot errors more easily and can adjust as you go. Get creative with your instructions and see what works best. The more you practice, the better your results. Tip 3, always provide context. When you're working with AI, it's easy to assume it knows exactly what you want, but that's rarely the case. Just like you wouldn't expect a new coworker to read your mind, you shouldn't expect AI to deliver perfect results without some background information. Providing context is the secret ingredient that transforms generic answers into tailored, actionable solutions. AI needs background info to deliver tailored results. Think of it as setting the stage for a productive conversation. The more details you share, the more the AI can understand your unique situation and respond in a way that's actually useful to you. For example, instead of simply saying, "Create an internal control checklist," you could say, "I'm an auditor in government finance. Help me create a checklist that aligns with government auditing standards." This extra information helps the AI focus on what matters most to you and ensures the checklist is relevant and accurate for your specific needs. The more context you provide, like your role, your industry, or your specific goals, the better the output will be. Don't be afraid to get specific. If you're in healthcare, mention the type of patients you work with. If you're in marketing, share your campaign objectives or target audience. These details help the AI fine-tune its responses. Don't skip details. Mention relevant dates, industry jargon, or any special requirements you have. If there are deadlines, regulations, or technical terms that matter, include them in your prompt. The more you share, the less back and forth you'll need later. It might take a bit more effort up front to provide all this information, but it saves you time on corrections and clarifications later. You'll spend less time revising and more time getting results you can actually use. Think of it as an investment in a smoother workflow. Treat AI like a colleague who needs background to do their best work. If you want the best from your team, you make sure everyone's on the same page. The same goes for AI. Give it the context it needs, and you'll be amazed at how much more helpful and accurate its responses become. Remember, context is key for great results. The more you share, the better the AI can support you. So don't hold back on the details. With the right context, you'll unlock the full potential of AI and get the answers you really need. Tip 4. Use AI as a collaborator, not a replacement. In today's rapidly changing digital landscape, artificial intelligence is becoming an essential part of many workflows. But it's important to remember that AI is here to work with you, not to take your place. Think of AI as a smart partner that can help you tackle complex problems, speed up repetitive tasks, and offer new perspectives you might not have considered on your own. AI is a powerful tool, but your judgment and expertise matter most. While AI can process vast amounts of data and generate insights quickly, it doesn't have the intuition, creativity, or experience that you bring to the table. Your unique understanding of your field, your clients, and your goals is irreplaceable. Use AI to enhance your decision-making, not to replace it. Let AI help brainstorm, draft, or analyze, but always review its work. For example, you can use AI to generate initial ideas, summarize research, or suggest improvements to your writing. However, it's crucial to carefully check the results, refine them, and make sure they align with your standards and objectives. AI can be a great starting point, but the final touch should always be yours. Don't accept everything at face value. Use your critical thinking. AI can sometimes make mistakes, misunderstand context, or produce biased results. That's why it's essential to approach its output with a healthy dose of skepticism. Double-check facts, question assumptions, and don't be afraid to override AI's suggestions when your expertise tells you otherwise. The best results come from combining AI's strengths with your own. When you blend AI's speed and analytical power with your creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking, you unlock new possibilities. This partnership can help you solve problems faster, discover innovative solutions, and stay ahead in your field. As AI evolves, it'll become an even better partner in your workflow. New features and smarter algorithms are being developed all the time, making AI more adaptable and useful. Stay curious and keep learning about the latest advancements so you can make the most of what AI has to offer. Embrace AI as your creative sidekick, but keep your own skills sharp. Use AI to spark inspiration, experiment with new ideas, and push your creative boundaries. At the same time, continue developing your own abilities, because your personal touch and vision are what truly set your work apart. Responsible, ethical use is key. Always consider the impact of your work with AI, respect privacy, and be transparent about how you use these tools. Make sure your collaboration with AI upholds your values and the trust of those you serve. Collaboration is where AI truly shines. By working together, combining your expertise with AI's capabilities, you can achieve more than either could alone. So, welcome AI as a valuable teammate and let it help you reach new heights in your work. Tip 5. Save and reuse your best prompts. As you use AI, you'll find prompts that consistently deliver great results. Build a library, organized by category, project, or tool. Next time you face a similar task, just pull from your collection. Refine and update your prompts as you learn what works. This saves time and boosts your efficiency. A prompt library is a lifesaver on tight deadlines. Start building yours today. Your future self will thank you. Students, AI can transform your study game. Use it to summarize lectures, generate practice questions, or explain tough concepts in simple terms. It's like having a personal tutor 24/7. Many AI tools are free or discounted for students. Take advantage, save time, understand material better, and prep smarter for exams. But use AI ethically. Don't cheat. Let it supplement your learning, not replace it. If you want to level up your studies, AI is your new best friend. Unlock your academic potential with smart AI use. Professionals, AI is your productivity partner. Use it to draft reports, analyze data, and create stunning presentations. AI can automate repetitive tasks, manage emails, and help prioritize your to-do list. Free up your time for strategic work and decision-making. Identify which tasks drain your energy and see how AI can streamline them. With AI, you can work smarter, not harder. Optimize your workflow and reclaim your workday. Boost efficiency and achieve better work-life balance. Let AI handle the busy work so you can focus on what matters. Writers, AI is your creative companion. Beat writer's block with AI-generated ideas, character sketches, or scene drafts. Use AI to refine your work, catch typos, improve clarity, and adjust tone. Need a catchy headline or social caption? Let AI suggest options. AI can help brainstorm, edit, and polish your writing. It's like having an editor and idea machine on call. Embrace AI to boost creativity and productivity. Unleash your inner wordsmith with AI by your side. Job seekers, AI can help you stand out. Use AI tools to craft tailored resumes and cover letters that match job descriptions. Practice interview questions and get feedback on your delivery. Research employers, find networking opportunities, and even prep for salary negotiations. AI is like a career coach in your pocket. Don't just apply, strategize with AI's help. Use these tools to put your best foot forward. Let AI give you the edge in your job search. Language learners, AI is your personal tutor. Practice speaking with virtual tutors or real-time conversations. Improve listening, expand vocabulary, and master grammar with AI-powered apps. Use translation tools for quick help, but don't rely on them alone. Many apps offer personalized learning paths that adapt to your progress. Practice anytime, anywhere without pressure. Embrace AI to make language learning fun and effective. Start your journey to fluency today. That's it. 10 smart tips to master AI. Use AI responsibly. Protect your info, double-check results, and stay informed. What's your favorite AI tip? Share in the comments and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.